Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back. So I have my whole face on except concealer. There's only so much foundation can do. Only so much foundation can cover. So I need me some full coverage concealer, and I'm going to be trying out the concealer by Nars. It is the Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is an expensive guy. It retails for $30. Does come in 30 shades, and I have the shade Light 1 Chantilly, which is the lightest shade. It is 0.22 ounces, which is a pretty decent amount. I'm comparing it to this Urban Decay All-Nighter, and although the All-Nighter looks a little bit like thicker, this has 0.12 ounces and this is 0.22, so you're getting almost twice the amount, so that is awesome. Let's see what Sephora says about this concealer. This has mineral tone balancing powder, which works to optically correct, not mask, imperfections. It has a multi-active botanical blend to help hydrate, love that, and light diffusing mineral powder. So, like powder and more powder, this makes me think that this might be a little drying for me. Doesn't say anything about not creasing, at least not on Sephora.com and not on the box. So let's just dive in here. Let's conceal all my problems. This is a medium to full coverage and it is buildable. So let's go. Oh, it's nice and brightening, I will say that. I'm definitely still seeing some bluish purple. So putting another dot, blending that out. I'm always on the lookout for the perfect foundation and the perfect concealer. So if you have any recommendations, please throw them out there. I would love to try them. Okay, now taking my Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder, setting this guy before it creases. And always taking that minuscule amount and brushing off the excess because I don't need any excess powder. Okay, so in the monitor, it looks really nice. In person, it looks good. It could have a little bit more coverage, but I'm not mad at it. It's definitely brightening. I look nice and awake. So I know this was a quick little guy. I'm gonna give this a bit of a wear test as always. See how it works, if it creases, cakes, if the pigmentation goes away. So I will see you guys in a couple of hours. All right, as always, I'm in my bathroom. It's only been about 4 hours, and although the coverage looks really good, it is super duper creasy. I mean, this is probably up there for one of the worst creasing or tying with some concealers that I've tried that the creasing is the worst. So this concealer is definitely not worth it. I don't care that the coverage is really good. You know, I set my under eyes the same way I always do, so for me, this is a pass. But if you don't have any under eye creasing and you want some good coverage, you could definitely try this out. But for me, no, not at all. This is a hard pass. Definitely don't like this concealer. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day.